Hey guys, Peter Soma with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2022 Sailfish 276 DC. This is an available boat, guys. We can buy this boat and deliver it probably within a week or two. Don't hold me to that, but we'll start here on the back. Twin Yamaha 200 XE8, so we have the digital shifting. Nice open well back there. It's telescoping ski bar, so if you are tubing that day, stows away nicely. This boat does have the engine flush mount system. Hook it up, flush out both engines. On our port side, dive door. Our live well back here. Nice and deep live well. All right, sprayer. Tons of seating back here in the cockpit. So again, if you are maybe kind of just going to Tyson Shoal or doing something around the bay locally, plenty of seating back here. But if you are fishing and you want that additional space, everything stows away nicely. More seating here, cup holders, nice solid surface. Top here with sink. All right. Over here, awesome articulating seater. So we have 3 different positions like such here, or if you want to put it all the way down to give you more of a bench, again, a little different. Our head compartment, another sink in there. Up on our hard top too, I probably should point this out earlier, but this is the slate gray. This color matches your hull, okay? Our Garmin VHF right there, nice and out of the way. Our captain seat with bolster. Really awesome armrests here. Very comfortable seating. Twin 8-inch Garmin screens. All of our switching here. Yamaha readout. Again, these nice digital throttles here. Joystick on this boat, which is a big plus. You know, make that maneuvering around the dock nice and easy. Let Frank work his way up to the bow. For a fishing boat, you have plenty of seating up here in the front again. So it's a very comfortable dual console. You know, you're nice and deep inside the cockpit, nice and secure. Bow table up here. More insulated storage underneath your seating here. Whoop, let me move this out of the way. Plenty of storage. All right, guys, again, 2022 Sailfish 276 DC. If you have any questions about this or any other boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.